What if I told you that talking about heavy machinery is one of the fastest ways to get rich on YouTube? No face, no filming, just pure engineering logic. While everyone is fighting over gaming and vlogs, these creators are quietly pocketing over $8,000 every single month. First, let's look at MegaBuilds. Their secret? They focus on the biggest of everything. Biggest ships, biggest bridges, biggest disasters. With an estimated monthly income of $8,800, they aren't just making videos, they're building a library of high-value assets. This content is evergreen. A video they posted a year ago is still printing money today because the US audience's fascination with massive infrastructure is endless. But if you want to see true efficiency, look at Flow Engineering. This channel doesn't just show machines, it shows how they work. By using hyper-realistic 3D animations and technical breakdowns, they've tapped into the educational, satisfying niche. This is pure visual eye candy for engineers, students, and tech enthusiasts. The best part? You don't need to be an engineer to do this, you just need the right visual tools and a solid script. Why do these channels earn so much? It's all about the advertiser. If you make a comedy video, you get ads for soda. If you make a video about flow engineering, you get ads for industrial software, B2B services, and cutting-edge technologies. We're talking about revenue per 1,000 views, which can easily reach $10 to $15 per 1,000 views in the US market. That's why these small channels outperform influencers with millions of followers. If I get 100 likes and a lot of comments, I'll make a video about how to make these documents a full overview. Thanks.